Hi friends, good morning, buenos dias, alumnos. Today you will attempt to finish a quiz in English. I want to know what skills you have and what skills we need to work on. Hoy día van a empezar y tratar en acabar un examen en inglés. Es 25 preguntas. Yo quiero saber qué son sus fuerzas y dónde necesitamos trabajar más. Okay? Entonces, so the first thing you have to do, my friends, is navigate to Empower, right? So you know what to do. And your playlist, okay, is here. Here's your playlist. We're going to work in ILIT, the ILIT playlist. On the ILIT playlist, you have an activity there. Your activity for today is first assessment. If you have not done getting started, you can do that. You'll have to do that because your first time that you log in, you take a survey. Okay, so today I want you to work on first assessment. When you click on this, this is how you'll get to the video. I hope you'll see this. And now let's get started. All right. So first, please log into Learn ILIT. Remember, we have to do www.learnilit.com. Okay, so type it in all the way. Tienes que poner www.learnilit.com all the way. Do not take the shortcut. Okay. When you get here, you are in Westminster Public Schools. You'll put your first name. For most of you, it's your first name. For a couple of you, because Jesus, you have a couple of there's a couple of Jesuses. It might be your first name and a number. Okay. Then you put your student ID. For everyone, your student ID is your password. Then log in. Once you log in, okay. Once you log in, we go down to the Assignments tab. Look at the Assignments tab has a check mark. Okay. Hoy día, cuando entras en este cita, tienes que ir a Assignments. Assignments. Mira, este Assignments es un icon aquí con un cheque. ¿Sí? Haz un clic. Click on Assignments. This takes you to another page. Nosotros vamos a una otra página. Here you see Monitor Progress. Monitor Progress. Aquí ves Monitor Progress. Haz un clic en Monitor Progress y ábralo. Open Monitor Progress. Okay. Now you will see here Newcomer Screener. Newcomer Screener. Este es un examen que es muy corta y es básico en qué son las cosas que saben en inglés y qué son las cosas que no saben en inglés. This is a screener, a test that will help me know what you know in English and what you don't know in English. And for me, yours is all in English. Okay, there are no Spanish directions for you. So when you click here, okay, you can see they're all pretty much like this. All of your questions are multiple choice. Todas las preguntas son multiple choice. Okay? So do your best. Haz lo mejor que posible. And also, please work by yourself. Okay? Haz lo mejor que es posible y también trabaja solo. Este no es un examen para una calificación. Este es un examen para medir su nivel. Okay, no más para medir su nivel. Y yo necesito saber qué saben y qué no saben. Please do this test alone. This is not a test for a grade. This is only so I can tell what is your net level. I want to know what you know and what you don't know. All right, my friends. Best of luck to you today, and I'll see you in just a little bit.